What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Don't forget, we're giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. And tonight, we're hooking up some spaghetti on the griddle. Check out these ingredients and get it going. So right here, we have 1 pound of noodles. We have a pound of hot Italian sausage, a pound of ground beef. Got a couple sauces here, some Italian seasoning, and some Texas toast garlic bread. So let's get this thing warmed up and get it going. So we got the griddle nice and hot right now. So these 2 garlic breads they're for my daughter, so I'm just gonna throw them on over there. We're at about 360 over here. I got these 2 on high. This one's off, this one's all the way low. And actually I'm gonna bump these 2 down to like a medium. So we're good on that, and I am going to cover the garlic bread up. So let's just throw some meat on and get this going. Come on. Bang, bang. Don't want to lose that wax paper in there. All right. Get that off. Little piece. Come here. Alright, get that. Let's get this ground beef going. Just 1 pound of each. And I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright, let's just cut this stuff up. Super easy. Same with this pork. It's all gonna cook up real quick. Ooh, baby, it's already starting. Got the griddle. That's what happens when you get the griddle nice and hot. Just chop it up. Mix this stuff together. Get a little bit of that seasoning right here. Boom. Alright, now I'm just going to cook this stuff up and keep chopping and flipping. And we'll bring you back when it's just about ready. So the meat is looking pretty good now. I'm going to throw a little salt and pepper on it. Just a little bit. I'm going to get that all turned up. Got a nice little char happening on there. That's good. Now these bigger pieces, I want to get them all chopped up. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw one of the jars of the tomato sauce, the spaghetti sauce. I'm going to turn these both all the way low. And actually, let's check on these. Alright, they're starting to cook up. The cheese is starting to melt. What temp will we be rolling on? It is 250 over here. About 360 still over here. So we're good on that. So let's take one of these jars. And this is just your standard traditional plain stuff. This is the only kind I can get my daughter to eat, so that's what I got to do. Now I'm only putting one on right now because I want it to get nice and hot, and I don't know how much more I'm going to need, but I know for sure I'm going to need at least one. Alright, so let's get that in there. And I would recommend, if you cook a tomato-based meal like this, or like the subs I just made with the tomatoes and stuff, clean this after you're done, because you don't want that acidy sauce sitting on your griddle for too long. At least I've had trouble with it. Like I forgot to do it. Next day, go to clean, and I lose chunks out of my griddle seasoning. So just a little heads up with that. All right, now I'm just gonna move this over, and actually I'm gonna turn this one off over here because we're good right now. This stuff's gonna heat up just fine. And I'm gonna move these bad boys. I'm gonna move them up over here to the cooler part. Just let them hang up there, do their thing. I'm gonna throw the noodles on. Boom. So we got that. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil down. All right. Just get a little bit of oil so they can cook up, fry up a little bit. And boom. This is one whole, you know, the little boxes, 1 pound of noodles. See, I put them in I cooked them, put them in an ice bath, and yeah, that's it. Now they're ready to go. Just dump them on. All right, get them all. All right, let that stuff go. Make sure we're good over here. This stuff's still good. Boom. Stuff's gonna heat up and cook up just right. Ooh, buddy. It's kind of hard when you got a bunch of noodles like this because they kind of want to fall off the spatula. So you got to like dig into it to mix them up. Oh, lost one. All right. Just let this stuff warm up for a minute. Keep checking on our meat over here. All right. Boom. Just going to let these cook up for a hot second. Show you what we got. So the noodles are heating up just good. Just gonna keep messing them around. Just keep flipping them. Yeah, we're getting there. Ah, that one's hot. All right, boom. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it in with the meat. I mean, it's just that simple. Just mix it all together. Now I am going to have to add some more sauce for sure. So let's just get all this stuff together. So let's dive in and give this a try, y'all. I mean, ain't nothing to it. Bam, just some spaghetti. Get a nice little pile on there. And you know we like our stuff spicy. If you like it even more spicy, throw some crushed red pepper or something in there, something like that. That would do just fine too. So let me just get this stuff out of here, scrape a little spot. We're gonna give it a try. Let's give this a try, y'all. Ooh. Man, this is looking really good. If only I had a little Parmesan, because we just ran out. So easy. And I didn't even throw any of the seasoning in, the extra, because actually this turned out pretty good. I was gonna wait to see if it needed some, but it really doesn't. Just mixing it up a little bit. Let's get in here. Super, super easy. And that's all I got. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to make, and yeah, don't forget we're giving a griddle away. See you on the next one. Thanks.